Hey everyone, in this HiveSuite update, I'm sharing improvements to poll creation, navigation, custom Hive nodes, and community snaps. First, HiveSuite now has a dedicated create poll page powered by HiveReactKit poll composer. I have also added a floating poll button so that users can start creating polls faster from across the application. Poll publishing now uses hPolls, compatible metadata, and it is more aligned with Hive ecosystem's whole infrastructure provided by Peak team. So here is the snapshot or a screenshot which I have taken from the mobile view, and you can see that we have create poll feature over here. Now the next thing is the snaps browsing has been improved with the page level scrolling, hybrid multiple column desktop scrolling that we have done. So these are the screenshots which are related to the poll creation. Now let's talk about the hybrid desktop scroll. So if you are keeping the cursor in between the feeds or in the corner, you would be able to scroll on all four feeds at the same time, and if you are keeping the cursor on a given feed, then you will be able to scroll within that. I've also added default menu preferences. User can choose their preferred starting section like blogs, snaps, communities, polls, videos, shorts, maps, or notifications. Like you can choose the default page. So whenever you restart the application, app would be redirected to the given page that you have chosen. Apart from that, we have also safe back navigation, which also helps deep links and Android back button behavior. Instead of unexpected exits or awkward browser history jumps, users are returned to their default selected menu item. Another major update that is implemented is the Hive API node management. Let me scroll a little bit over here. So over here you can see you can choose the default option. You want snaps or blogs, what else? That you can choose over here. So on top of that, like I stated, you can choose the default API node, and you can basically, once you choose them, it would use that API node. But let's say if it is failing, then we have also added automatic fallback handling, meaning that it would switch to the previous one. So instead of relying on just one API node, we also have integrated fallback mechanism. So let's say you have chosen this one for some reason, today it's not working, so it would auto detect and switch to the next one and save it locally without you going back over there and then manually setting it over there. So finally, apart from all of this, we have also integrated community snaps. So for that, we have developed and deployed an API on our own front end. With that, community snaps are powered directly within the HiveSuite application, but at the moment it is integrated with the help of HiveReactKit. So everything that we do is like open source, available in HiveReactKit package. You can use the same set of things in your application as well if you're building on top of HiveReactKit. It also provides filtering for reported and ignored content. Overall, this update makes the HiveSuite application better for poll publishing, better desktop snaps browsing experience, setting up the default navigation, and Hive node control, and scalable community feed. So with this, we have summarized everything that we wanted to share in this update. I hope that you like the work we do, and if you really like, hit the upvote button, hit the subscribe button, and to keep us going, vote us as your Hive witness. That's it for this video. See you in the next one. Bye bye.